introduce. How's it to mommy now?
Him not stop pressure me for me, mama.
As long as you feel like say him are the right one, are the right thing.
Well, I don't know if it's right or wrong, but I can't take the pressure.
How about your mother? How's she? How things with her?
I talked to her today, and she me never that hear from her, so I get bummy.
She alright though.
Yeah, so she handle some business.
And you believe her?
Yeah, I check out the local business that she do. She do some group trip, and you know it's legitimate.
Alright. As long as she keep on the straight and narrow and I keep out of trouble, I'm good with it.
She know I have her under a microscope. Myself to tell you. She like King.
King? Our king? Then king no. You know what is true? Let me shut my mouth.
King what? Tell me now.
Nothing man. It's not important.
Well, you look like you're going to be my stepfather.
I hear you.
On the place, brother. Every time I make a small run out and forward back, it's like the place has gone back to ground zero, dog.
Say a boy named Andre. One time boy if you get all a conk, you know. If you not run behind them man there, nah come clean up the place, brother. Look at the place for real, my youth.
I remember I'm not eat for free, no, brother.
That me I tell you.
Look how much time them link me for lunch money, for dinner money, every type of money you can think about, all the new one them.
My youth and all the meds.
Brother.
But differently still that. How we ever deal with that thing? Where's all the little thing going on there, the place kind of tense.
I know, say, place not. Somebody keep up some type of green of that. And we need to find out how we should rock that.
So you want me to deal with it?
Brother, hold on, man. Pretty levels. Every time we left the ground and forward back, this up. Somebody I watch out the thing.
Real talk, you know. I say, that make all the bartender get bummy and cut, you know. Same vibe there, bro.
You really can't blame them still, no, my friend. Because they don't really understand how the ground run. You get what I say? I'm link king. So, I'm sort of back an next bar work. Yeah. So we always look out for people, brother.
Yeah. But, I know you answer my question now. What you plan to do with the place?
No, me appreciate still, my friend. I can promote this place as a venue. So who want forward income rent it, we have a bar, we have a cook shop over there, so if they want to deal with soup and them jerk chicken and night, you know what I mean? See even the jerk pan. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, we still have to keep that like community tourism thing them on the go, you see me? The dance class them have to keep it.
Man, cheer. Yo, John, play for some pig and dirty dog.
So quick. Yeah, we are rubbing knuckles then, so. Brother, nobody go count the youth in the dark.
Yo, that are them youth and all the meds, you know. You tell us get up and love sweets. When I pay him for this, man, still a fair run him down. I'm to them little boy, man.
You're Andre alone, brother. I'm the right person for dealing with that, brother.
Can't go and beg for them little boy. Yeah,
I have a proper maintenance. I don't want to worry about that, fuck. You see me? The greatest thing we have to talk about right now is to turn the place in our venue. And that's what my mate say.
Yeah, but they don't say big man thing. The jerk on them, we can rent them out, you know. Eat a little food right there, so. What do you think about that?
No. Package deal me a deal. You say if them want the pan, you have to get the venue. You see the thing, my brother.
Yeah, real businessman and dog. Yo. So I do it differently though. I go on idea.
You for tell me.
Well,
And give me a piece of food. It's pretty well busy, you know. Big soul come up and make a. I go and can't get to a pass. I go on.